I'm Simon. I'm a lead carpenter with Taylor Closets. I've been there for about 3 years. This particular build was one of the more complicated builds I've ever done, primarily because of the angles. We work with 45 and 90 degree angles. This is not that. So trying to utilize the space for the client, making it aesthetically beautiful and practical was the biggest challenge. A variety of techniques were used to file the angles, primarily templates. Templates are what we used because the walls were not perfectly parallel. They were also bowing in and bowing out. So to use one angle for a lower part, middle and upper part of a cabinet didn't work. So templates was the best option. We ran all the lighting off a mesh connector. The lighting is run via the outlets in the house, and it's all controlled via remote. So the client can easily come into one room with multiple lights, extruded lighting and puck lighting, and with one remote, they can dim it, they can turn it on and turn it off. It's a very simple system, and it's very effective. Creating a seamless project from start to finish ideally starts with communication with our company, with the designers coming up with a beautiful design based on what the client requires. The engineers collaborating with our designers to try and finalize something that we can work with as a carpenter. But with the communication, once again, between our whole company, even our managers, to give us ideas and tips, and assistants working on the job, it just creates a seamless flow with the communication on these jobs. Every project that we do is challenging. For a client to come to us and any concerns about it being challenging, I think speaking and spending time with our designers and engineers would definitely alleviate any concerns about challenges we can take on. We certainly have some experienced carpenters in the company that have experience, and I'm sure we can showboat a lot of our projects we have done to eliminate any concerns. My favourite part about this job, other than finally after nearly 3 months becoming friendly with their cat, that was a mission. My favourite part about the job is pure satisfaction, trying to achieve what the client wants by maximising the spaces out of these rooms. And with the unusual angles and curvatures, we thought that was going to be impossible. But with all the great ideas from our team and being very fastidious with the carpentry, we were able to achieve that. So for me, that was a win. It's a beautiful job and the client's happy.